Hello children, how are you all? Hope you're fine. Good morning to all. Enjoy the blessings of today. God bless you. So children, do you remember what we have done in our previous class? Anyone? Yes. Children, we have learned about water. It is used for various purposes. Like us, other animals also need water. Children, we should never waste water. Students, can anyone tell me where do you live? Anyone? Yes, very good. We all live in a house. We all live with our family members. We make a house with love, care, and by respecting and helping each other. So, today's topic is our house, our home, chapter number 7. So students, we live in a house. House protect us from heat, rain and cold. Children, we even rest in our house. We even play with our friends or parents when they are free or they are having holiday. Children, I feel that my house is the best place in the world. What do you feel? I hope you also feel the same. Our house is our home. Some houses are big and some are small. All houses have doors and windows. They let in fresh air and light. They also have roofs. A roof covers the top of the house. So let us students learn today different type of houses. This is called as multi-storage building and this is bungalow. Students, building and bungalows, it is made up of bricks, iron, cement, etc. It is also called as permanent house because it is very strong. So what is next? This is called tent house. It is made up of clothes. What is next? Houseboat. Students, this is made up of wood. This is igloo. It is called as igloo house. It is made up of ice. Children, do you know that houses also have separate areas? So, today we are going to learn in this chapter what are the separate areas of the houses. So first we will learn about living room. We even sit together and rest in the living room and we also watch TV and listen to the music in the living room. Next is what? Dining area. We sit with our family members and eat food. So what is next? Yes, this is kitchen. Mom cooks food in the kitchen. Food gives us energy to work and play. It also helps us to grow and stay healthy. So, kitchen is an important room in the house. Next is bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom when we are tired by working for the whole day. So students, what is next? Bathroom. We take bath in the bathroom. Children, hope you all are using bucket and mug for bathing and taking short shower bath, because we should not waste water. Children, do you know, like us, birds and animals need a place to live. Their homes have different names. So students, do you know where does birds live? Yes, birds live in a nest. Now tell me, where does bees live? Yes, bees live in a hive. Where does rat live? Yes, rat lives in a hole. And where does lion live? Lion lives in a den. Students, we make houses for pet animals and birds. So students, do you know, hens are kept in a coop. Dogs are kept in a kennel. And cows are kept in sheds. And horses are kept in stables. So students, what we have learned today? We live in a house. A house protects us from heat, cold and rain. All houses have doors, windows and roofs. Houses have separate areas for various purposes. The homes of birds and animals have different names. So students, take care. Thank you. Bye. Hello children. Morning to all. Hope you all are fine. Children, do you remember what was the topic of our EVS subject in last period? Anyone? Yes, we have learned about our house, our home. Our house protects us from heat, cold and rain. All houses have doors, windows and roofs. houses have separate areas for various purposes. We also learned about different homes of animals and birds. Children, do you remember what are our basic needs? Very good. Our basic needs are food, water, house and clothes. So children, our today's topic is clothes from Unit 2, chapter number 8. Okay children, one question. Can anyone answer why do we wear clothes? Very good. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect our body from dirt and dust. Children, when we wear new clothes, we look smart and it also protects us from heat, cold and rain. Do you know children how many seasons are there? Yes, very good. There are 3 seasons: winter, summer and rainy season. Children, in winter season it is too much cold. We wear woolen clothes like sweaters, jackets, shawls, woolen caps, gloves to keep our body warm. Okay children, can anyone tell me in which season do you like ice cream? Summer season. Very good. Yes, very good answer. In summer season, it is very hot. Children, we like to wear light cotton clothes because they keep our body cool. Cotton clothes are good because they absorb sweat. Now, what is the meaning of sweat? SWEAT. Children, sweat means pasina. So, our cotton clothes, it absorb sweat. In summer season, we drink plenty of water and enjoy fruit juice. And we also eat fruits like mangoes, watermelons, etc. And I know many children like mangoes. Okay, now we are moving to our next season. Can anyone answer in which season we use raincoats and umbrellas? Yes, very good. Rainy season, we use umbrella and raincoat in rainy season. They keep our body dry, and in rainy season we see greenery everywhere. Children, we wear different clothes in different seasons. We do wear colorful dresses in different occasions. During festivals, we wear traditional clothes. In school, we wear school uniform and at home, normal clothes. and children, people working in police, military and hospitals also have different uniform. Here are some clothes that children wear. Shirt, jeans, t-shirt, frock, etc. Some of clothes worn by elders: sari, salwar suit, kurta pajama, shirt, pant, etc. So children, what you have learned today? First, we wear clothes to cover our body. Second, clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. Third, we wear different kinds of clothes. So, hope children you enjoyed. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.